Hi everybody, welcome to Ask the Baritone Baker. I'm John McKee and I'm here to answer all of your burning questions about baking.
Hi John. Now some recipes call for Dutch processed cocoa. What is the difference, and can I substitute regular cocoa?
Well, Dutch processed cocoa is a process where they've added an alkalizing agent to the cocoa powder to reduce the acidity. It tends to darken the color and give it a little bit more flavor. Natural cocoa doesn't have that process, so you would need to add baking soda to offset the acidity. The baking soda serves in that role. If you needed to substitute, there's a rule of thumb you could use with Dutch processed cocoa powder you use with baking powder, and natural cocoa powder you use with baking soda. You would just use the half the amount of soda that you would use with as baking powder. All right. Now, the difference in the flavors is the Dutch process has a little milder, more smoother flavor, where the natural cocoa can be a little sharper, and that. So something like European pastries or cakes where you're going to combine with other ingredients, Dutch cocoa is good for it. But something like cookies and brownies and that kind of thing, a natural cocoa gives you a much stronger flavor. So that's the differences between the two. Easily changeable, just changing the amount of baking soda or baking powder, and it should just turn out just fine for you. So I hope that helps you, and thanks for watching. So thanks for tuning in to this episode of Ask the Baritone Baker. If you'd like to have your questions answered, please submit them via email to info@baritonebaker.com. And I look forward to seeing you again soon, and let's go bake some fun.
Let's bake some fun.